Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Spanish Ontario, a small community along the beautiful North Channel of Lake Huron. This town has roots going back to the late 1800s, when it became a stop for the Canadian Pacific Railway and a hub for logging and fishing. Over the years, Spanish grew into a gateway for boaters, anglers, and those heading to the nearby wilderness. Its waterfront is home to a popular marina offering some of the best access to the pristine waters and islands of the North Channel. The town also has a rich connection to Indigenous history, with nearby lands holding deep cultural significance. Whether you're here for a quiet getaway, an adventure on the water, or simply to enjoy small town charm, Spanish offers a warm and memorable experience. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Spanish Ontario.